Okay, so welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Good Life. So y'all, in this video I am going to be sharing my prepping haul. Yes, I was at Walmart. Seems like I've been at Walmart a while lately. Okay, so I went to Walmart and I picked up, while I was in there, I picked up a couple things to put in the emergency food pantry, the purpose pantry, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. It's not going to be a long video because I just want to share this, you know, with you. So I picked up 3 cans of this wolf chili. Okay, no beans, wolf chili. And you can put this over rice, you can put this over noodles, you can put this over whatever you want to put it over. Okay, this is the 1 pound 8 ounce. And when I always look at the sodium, a cup of this, the sodium is 1010, 44% of your daily value. Now that may differ from people that may have to have a low sodium diet, so do what's best for you, consult your doctor and all that type of stuff. But if you eat the whole thing, who gonna sit and eat this whole thing? Okay, in an emergency situation you should be rationing your food, so yeah, shouldn't be doing that. Ration your food. Okay, but for the whole can is 2,760 milligrams of sodium. That's 120% of your daily value if you eat this whole can. Don't eat this whole can. 1 can should be able to be divided between 5 people, just a little bit over some rice. Okay, so I got 3 of those because that is a good meat source. Y'all already know that I like to haul these chicken breasts, chunk chicken breast. Okay, it's 4 cans in here. These used to be like $6, then they went up to $10, but I caught them for $8 and something. So I got 3 of these big cans. I mean, yeah, 3 of the packs, but it's 4 in a pack. This the great value chunk chicken breast. Okay, so that's a win-win situation if you ask me. All right, so next, got 4 cans of luncheon meat, not the Spam, the actual luncheon meat. Okay, and this is chicken, not pork. Okay, trying to stay away from a lot of the pork or whatnot, so they have chicken luncheon meat. Okay, chicken luncheon meat. The sodium on this, I always watch the sodium. Okay, you need sodium, but you don't need to be overdoing it. Okay, the sodium is 570 milligrams, 25% of your daily value. Okay, 1 can. But in an emergency situation, who gonna sit up and eat this whole can in one day? I hope nobody. Okay, not by themselves. All right, and then over here, found these on sale. This is Greek cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. This stuff, olive oil in general, is expensive. It say this was $6.77. Now it was marked down $5. I went on and took it. I went on and got it. Okay, because I use olive oil for almost everything. But it say this is a fruity taste with bold finish. I've never used this one, but I thought that would be great. So I will let y'all know what this tastes like. Is it actually fruity or not? Or they just saying it on here? Because a lot of times people be saying, oh, those tomatoes are sweet. When I think of the word sweet, I think of sugary. You know, sweet like candy. It's just me. It's just me. It's just me, you know. I get what people be meaning, but I don't get it with my taste buds. Okay, it tastes like a tomato. Okay, a ripe tomato, right? But hey, anywho, that's just whatever. So I ended up getting 6 of those. All 6 that they had, they was $5 each. Okay, so yeah, this is a little bit goes a long way. Okay, pick up a little bit at a time. All right. You see something marked down, you see something that you like, you see something that may be beneficial, get it. I don't care if you go in there and just get 1 of these or 1 of these. Get it. Because y'all, I know I ain't been talking about it because I've been getting some things in order. Okay, I know I ain't been talking about it. And I know, I went back to Variety Channel, but I will be talking about it, but just not like hounding y'all with it. But y'all, we don't need to stop prepping at all. We need to continue to prep. We need to be prepping now more than ever. And I don't want it to get boring, so I'm not hounding you like every single day, but I am going to tell you because it's the truth. So this is my little haul that I ended up getting. I hope it gives you some ideals. I hope it motivates somebody. I hope it inspires somebody, because all this mayhem that's going on, we got to be on it. Okay, we got to be on it for ourselves. We got to make sure that we are staying prepared. We're not getting off track. We are constantly looking around. Do it on a budget. But if you know you ain't hardly got nothing in your house, at this point, I'm not going to tell you to do it slow. Too slow. Do it slow, but not too slow, because you're running out of time. You never know from one moment to the next what is what. All these protests going on, y'all. Protests about this, protests about that. It's something every single day. Every single day. I think a lot of people is thinking that things is calming down and this is just a normalcy and this is all this. 2025 has been off the chain when it comes to like the economy and different things, y'all know what I'm saying. If you don't know what I'm saying, I don't know where you've been at. Okay, just look at the news. Look at the news. Look at the news. Okay. And I know that can be depressing, because I tried to stick to the news constantly. I can't do it. I gotta add some variety. I gotta be me, because that's how depressing it is. But it's something that we have to live with. We have to strategize, and we have to make sure that we are prepared. Our household, as much as possible, we'll never be fully prepared, but as much as possible. That's why you need to stock up when you can, okay? That's why this video is a prepping haul video, okay? So I told you it wasn't gonna be extremely long. I ain't gonna hold y'all, okay? I know y'all got things to do, and I got things to do, okay? Bringing you more content. Trying to get everybody on the bandwagon and have fun at the same time, because it can be a lot. It can be stressful, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And hit the notification. Oh, look up the date. I already did it, because I did batch record today. Today is June 7th, 2025. June 7th, 2025. So I did batch record. So I gave y'all a look at day in that video, but this is a different video. So I'm just wearing some orange eyeshadow with some blue eyeliner. No foundation, no makeup, none of that. This is my face. Then I'm doing a coral lipstick with a little bit of pink lip gloss, and I'm using, I think this is my figgy lip liner, okay? And jewelry, accessories, I'm doing silver today, silver watch, silver bracelet, and a silver necklace, along with silver studs and silver earrings, okay? And y'all already saw what my outfit is. I'm wearing a little orange. That's a little fun time. But with that being said, I love y'all. Y'all stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one if it's God's will, okay? Mwah. Bye.